I have discovered 7 different websites that can help you start earning money from the comfort of your home today. I have personally used many of these websites, so I can verify that they work and confirm their earning potential. All of these opportunities are completely online, meaning you never have to leave your home. Before we begin, I want to clarify that I am not sponsored by any of the companies mentioned in this video. My recommendations come solely from my personal research and experience with different ways of making money online. Let me share these 7 websites that can help you start earning money online in 2024. Website 1, UserTesting.com. This platform allows you to earn money by reviewing and answering questions about different websites. Companies and websites need feedback from everyday users like us to ensure their businesses run smoothly. They're willing to pay well for this feedback because it helps them make necessary changes and improvements to provide better service. The better their service, the more money they make, and consequently, we earn money by helping them achieve this goal. Getting started is simple. Visit their site, click Sign Up or Start Here, and fill out some basic information about yourself. You'll then receive access to various websites, software, and companies to test and review. You don't need to be tech-savvy or particularly knowledgeable about the internet. The work primarily involves recording your screen while navigating websites and answering multiple-choice questions about the presentation or content. Regarding compensation, while their website and Google suggest an average of $1 per test, my personal experience shows that you can actually earn $30 per test, with each test typically taking around 30 minutes. This means you could potentially earn up to $60 per hour simply by providing feedback on different companies' websites. This platform offers an even easier way to earn money. ListVerse pays you to create simple lists for their website. These lists are essentially titles for different articles, such as 10 heart-stopping rescue missions, top 10 most controversial debates to spark heated conversations, or the 10 most badass fiction weapons. You can create lists about virtually any topic. Once you submit your list, if ListVerse finds it interesting enough, they'll pay you for the title alone. You don't need to write a blog post or create an essay, just submit the list. As shown on their Write and Get Paid page, you can earn up to $100 for each list. What makes this opportunity particularly attractive is that you don't need any special writing skills. You can utilize artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT to help create interesting lists. For example, if you submit 2 lists per week, you could earn $200 weekly, totaling an extra $800 monthly with minimal effort. This platform builds on our discussion of content creation. Rev pays you to transcribe audio content and videos. You can work from home, watch or listen to content on their platform, and type out what you hear. If you're able to watch or listen to this video right now, you already have the basic skills needed to earn money on Reverend. To get started, visit rev.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, click on Careers, then Freelancers. As a transcriptionist, you can earn between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. The process is straightforward. The company sends you a video or audio file, and you type out the content. For subtitle work, you'll also need to add timestamps to sync the audio with the video. Companies use this service because they need subtitles for their videos or want to convert video content into blog posts. They prefer human transcriptionists over AI because humans make fewer errors. The platform offers flexible scheduling and weekly payments, which is better than many companies that pay bi-weekly or monthly. Gap 1S. If you're watching this, you've probably heard about various sites that claim to pay you for simply completing surveys online. The unfortunate truth is that not all of these companies are legit, and even the ones that are will only pay you a few cents, barely enough for a cup of coffee at Starbucks, let alone any life-changing money. However, I found one company that absolutely crushes the competition and actually pays a decent amount. It's called Prolific, and you can find it at prolific.com. This is a research company that pays users to take part in surveys for university-led research studies. The reason they're willing to pay you is that the data collected on this site significantly helps researchers advance various fields of human knowledge. On average, by completing surveys from the comfort of your home, you can earn anywhere from $6 to $12 per task, which is way more than other survey sites that either don't pay at all or only pay pennies on the dollar. Considering you don't even have to leave your home and your responses actually contribute to meaningful research, this is one of the better paying survey sites out there. All right, moving on to website number 5. If you're still with me, make sure to smash that like button if you're getting value from this. And stay tuned, because the last website I'm going to show you is a total game changer, the one that personally helped me make my first $100,000 online. Now, website number 5 is called Preply. You can find it at preply.com. This is a language tutoring site that pays you to teach others a language you already know. For example, if you speak Spanish, you can sign up, create an account, and start getting paid to teach someone Spanish. Now, most of you watching probably speak English, which automatically qualifies you to earn anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour on Preply. One of the best things about this site, compared to other language tutoring platforms, is that Preply handles all the logistics, payments, homework, and any tech-related issues. So all you have to do is focus on teaching. And the best part, no experience or qualifications are required. You just need a mobile phone or laptop, and you can start earning money simply by teaching a language you already know. By the way, drop a comment below and let me know what languages you speak. You never know, you might meet someone in the comments who speaks the same language as you. But honestly, $25 per hour for teaching a language as common as English? That's pretty much a no-brainer if you want to make money online. The last website I showed you was all about making money by teaching a language you already know. But what if you could get paid for something even easier, like giving advice on topics you care about? Well, with a website called Clarity, found at clarity.fm, you can get paid just for that. This is a marketplace where people seek expert advice on various topics like sales, marketing, public speaking, dating, mental health, and so much more. If you have knowledge in any subject, you can get paid to share it. The average call on Clarity lasts 30 minutes and pays up to $50, meaning you can effectively earn $100 per hour just by talking to people online. This is honestly one of the easiest ways to make money on the internet. We all have knowledge to share, and the best part is that you can even learn new skills online for free, then turn around and teach those skills on Clarity. If you take this seriously, I promise you, this could be one of the easiest income streams you ever set up. Now, this next website holds a special place in my heart because it's the one that kickstarted my online money-making journey. Long-time subscribers already know which site I'm talking about. ClickBank! You can find it at clickbank.com. ClickBank allows regular people like you and me to sign up and start promoting digital products online using a simple affiliate link. Here's the best part. No skills required, no prior knowledge needed, no upfront investment. ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate marketplaces where you can promote digital products and earn commissions every time someone buys through your affiliate link. For example, if a product costs $100 and offers a 70% commission, you'll earn $70 per sale. This is exactly how I made my first $100,000 online. In fact, within 2 to 3 months, I had already earned $20,000. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest, easiest ways to start making money online. If you're a beginner, this is the #1 route I recommend because you don't need to show your face, you don't need to create your own products, you don't have to deal with customer service. All you need to do is find a product on ClickBank, get your affiliate link and share it, whether that's with your friends, family, or Instagram followers. And when people buy through your link, you get paid. Bonus! I'm going to pin a comment linking to my in-depth affiliate marketing tutorial. If you're serious about making money online, this is the exact video I wish I had when I started out. I'll also leave a free gift for you. It's called the 54 Side Hustles Dossier. It's full of hustles I have personally tested that you could start today. I left a link in the description below, and with that, we've wrapped up this list of websites that can help you make money in the next 24 hours. Final thoughts. We're in the digital age. We're in the AI era. Making money online has never been easier. Take advantage of these websites and start building your online income today. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel because I've got many more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.